Open the printer front door and remove the ribbon cartridge. Then close the door. Open the input hopper and remove any cards. Remove the protective paper and leave the magnetic encoder side attached. Remove the adhesive paper from the back side of the card. Do not remove this side. Keep the arrow at the top and front side of the printer. Now hold the card close to the input feed rollers. Press the right button twice. Now press the left button until you see Toolbox displayed. Press the right button once. Clean Printer is the first option under Toolbox. Press the right button to initiate the cleaning routine. Push the card into the feed rollers. The card will move forward and backwards to clean the card path rollers. On completion, the printer displays ready. Open the reject hopper and remove the adhesive card. Do not use this card more than once. Close the reject hopper. Load the ribbon to the card printer and close the front door. Load the cards back into the input hopper. And close it. The cleaning routine procedure is now complete.